When most people hear the words financial model, they think spreadsheets, numbers, taxes, maybe even a headache. But a strong financial model is so much more than accounting. It's not just a tool, it's your business blueprint. It tells the story of your vision in numbers. Think of your financial model as a roadmap. It helps you see where you're going, what obstacles might lie ahead, and how to navigate the journey. And for investors, it's one of the clearest signals that you understand your business. You don't need complex equations or a background in finance. You don't need to be an Excel wizard. But you do need clarity, logic, and a strategy that makes sense. So what does a great financial model include? First, it defines your revenue drivers. Where will your income come from? How many customers do you expect? What will they pay, and how often? Second, it shows your cost structure. From operations and marketing to hiring and infrastructure. Where is your money going, and how will you manage expenses as you grow? Third, it outlines your growth plan. How will you scale? What markets are you entering? What does customer acquisition look like, and how do you plan to keep them coming back? And finally, it helps you forecast your future. It's not about predicting the future perfectly, it's about making realistic assumptions and showing how those assumptions evolve. For an investor, this isn't just a numbers game. They're looking for confidence. They're asking, does this founder understand their customer? Have they thought about how this business will grow over the next year, 3 years, 5 years? Can they allocate resources wisely? Are they prepared to handle risk? And that's the power of a strong model. It answers those questions before they're even asked. It shows that you're not just passionate, you're prepared. So if you're building your first financial model, start simple. Use real numbers. Ground your projections in logic. And most importantly, tell a compelling story through your data. Because at the end of the day, investors aren't just funding ideas. They're investing in clarity, in foresight, and in founders who are ready to build. Tell your story. Show your growth. And build a model that inspires belief. Want to dive deeper? From legal tips to investor expectations, our full article breaks down what it takes to build a model that gets attention. Click the link in the description to read more and learn